Good afternoon. Today we will be telling you about forensically important flies. Let's start off with this fine cluster of specimens here. These are Calliphoridae, also known as blowflies, and they are one of the most important groups for providing an estimate for the post-mortem interval. They are attracted to carrion and excrement, where a large number of eggs are placed around the mouth, nose, and other natural openings or wounds, although natural openings are preferred, for reasons as yet undetermined. Adults range from 6 to 14 millimeters in length. Most adults have a metallic appearance, and colors range from green, blue, bronze, and black. Adults have segmented antennae with an arista, or a hair, on its last segment, and the antennae are pulmose, or feather-like throughout. Mature larvae range from 8 to 23 millimeters in length, and they are white or creamish colored. The terminal segment of larvae has 6 or more cone-shaped tubercles, and they are among the earliest colonizers of human remains, arriving within minutes of death. Now let's move on to the Piophilidae. Piophilidae are also known as skipper flies, and the adults are metallic blue to blackish in color, and they are rather small, being only 2.5 to 4.5 millimeters in length. They are found around carrion, human waste, feces, skin, and fur, and they are associated with protein-rich foods that are quite dry, meaning they arrive quite late during the decomposing stage. The common name of skipperfly comes from the unusual behavior exhibited by some larvae where they fling themselves into the air as a form of escape from predators. This gives them the name cheese skippers. The larvae are primarily scavengers and feed on the same material as the adults do. And the maggots can be considerably larger than adults, ranging from 5 to 10 millimeters in length. And finally, let's look at the Sarcophagidae, or the meat-eating flies. These larvae feed on carrion, excrement, and exposed meat. They are known to cause myiasis, which is a condition in which the larvae consume the flesh of living individuals. And many species parasitize on other insects. The adults are medium-sized, ranging from 2 to 14 millimeters in length. And they commonly have black or gray stripes on their thorax, or the central part of their body, and have a checkerboard pattern on the abdomen, or the posterior part of the body. Their arista is pulmose only at the base, meaning that their antennae resemble feathers at the base and have a long single strand at the end. The larvae have posterior spiracles located in a pit or depression on the abdomen tip, which is edged with fleshy tubercles. And the females, larvae deposit in the first instar, which means that they actually deposit the larvae outside of the eggs, and the eggs mature within the females. The time period for the post-mortem interval is different because the egg development is eliminated. This makes it a bit different from the Calliphoridae. These flies are attracted to carrion in most conditions, but they are associated with early and late decomposition, which means that they can arrive throughout human decomposition. The genus Sarcophaga specifically arrives on remains concurrently or slightly after the Calliphoridae. These are notoriously difficult to ID to a species level and hence have to be reared from larval stage. Thank you very much.